Guys, please like and subscribe to the video. We'll take you up to the lorries now, so there's my brother here.
We're doing a video! We're doing a video at the same time, but I only started there now, so we're walking up right now. It's quite a big stop here, Corey. Look. Yes. Right,
Here is
we better get on the walk.
here's our lorry, guys. Look, abandoned.
It's got a tank on it, but see that, Corey? Good little tank. Right. Your fat ass is on the road.
I'll show you the rest of the lorry, so seeing if I get up there. Bye. Hey guys, here is the winner cows in here. Nice looking calves.
Corey Crawford, guys. Sorry for me talking. I'm just doing my own video.
There's calf there, too. Calves up around here.
Yeah, but they are.
Cool setup. So I'll video rest. I'll get up, I'll see if I get up to the trucks, so bye. Hi guys, we're walking down now. Here's more cows. They're like milking cows, I think. Comment down below if they're milking cows. Hello guys. Hello. Milking cows, I think.
They are. They're milking cows.
I'm not giving out name who owns the cows.
It's Roy McRae.
Roy McCrae. There's another cow on the back. We calf back too. I'll see if I get up to the lorry, so bye. Here is silage, guys.
Yeah.
I'll show you our bit up top too, so bye. Here's the silage here, guys, too. There's the gator down here. Silage. That's lorry pump down there. That there, the gator. Nice gator. I could drive these things.
Really?
I'll see if I get up lorries, so bye. Hey guys, we're at the lorries now. I'll show you through the lorries and through the tractors. So this is Scania. I'll show you a wee bit. She's a nice looking lorry. She's a Scania R490. Nice as sight, boys. Scania R490. McCrae's. This is our lorry. And then here is a trailer too. And then this here's our lorry, Volvo. She's a Volvo FH540. McCrae Transport on it too. And then here is the trailer. And then here is Scania R460. I don't know if she's V8. Nice looking lorry. Now you go down to slurry tankers. This slurry tanker here. And then you go down to this track New Holland. Then our slurry tanker. And then this is a New Holland Now this is the cattle trailer. And this is the bale trailer. And here's all the, here's the slurry mixer. And here's all the cows. Full shed of cows today. And here's a roller. And here's sprayer. And wee thing, I don't know what the hell you call it, comment too, down below it, and the track slurry spreader, and then the Land Rover roller. Sorry for the wind noise. There's the JCB come down.
That's the old one.
Irish one. Here is the dump trailer. I don't know what flip you call it. Sorry for running. Here's a dump trailer. And here's dump trailer set tires. Huron, you call it. Then here is the fencing posts for, who do you call it? For the, and then here is the dump trailer. Look at this, the lawnmower on the frickin' JCB. And back the lorries there. Kinda cool. And here, curtain cider. So I'll get you if I walk around. Here's the back trailer now. Here's Scanner. There's back trailer now.
That's not a Scanner, that's a Volvo.
There's the Volvo. Here's Scanner. So I'll show you around the rest. So let's get into it. Here's a Land Rover, guys. Land Rover Defender, I think. Then here's a New Holland tractors. And there the trailers. That's slurry tanker and a New Holland down there. Here's the New Holland and then the sprayer on the back. And then here is the Iveco 500. A Cray transport on that too, and then broken lot of rust changed up. Then a Iveco black white.
Aye, but she lost the gear for an order.
And then this here wee trailer. And here is a silage pit again.
Here, look.
And then here's the lorry trailer.
Garage in there.
And then here's garage. And then here is a Scania R680.
680, 580.
580, R580. Sorry for that. And then here's a nice looking Scania. Some lorries is out, guys. Here's a bulk feed transport here for today. And then here the New Holland again, filling with mail. And then here is Muldoon. There's cider again. And here's a wee generator thing. There's sheep trailer, an ore trailer. Here's a lot of cows. Sorry if I can't go any further. Lot of cows, quad. And then this New Holland T76 60. So here's a wee skid steer. And then there's the cow sheds. Right. Here's the Renault. Comment what Renault is that. And here milk trailer.
She's a 460.
Here's Scania, the creas again. I'm here for lifting milk. So I'll show you an orbit when I get down to an orbit. So back here's the shades out our side, guys. There's shade way out there too. So please like and subscribe to the video. Get me up to 200 subs, please. So thank you. Bye.